Chapter 3 Practice Test Vocabulary and Concept 1. Define expander from and give an example. 2. Describe how place value in used to compare decimal. Skill and application. Write each decimal in a word form. Assign the weight of a particular molecule in is given as 0.0003 ounce. Write the weight in word form. Write each decimal in standard form and expanded form. Use greatest than or less than to compare each pair of decimals. Order each set of decimal from greatest to least. Round each decimal to the indicated place value position. 19. Architecture. Round each ceiling height in the table to the nearest tenth of a foot. 20. Estimate 38.23 plus 11.84 using rounding. 21. Estimate 75.38 plus 22.04 using front and to end estimation. Add or subtract. Standardized test practice. 25. Multiple choice. Matthew ordered juice for $0.89, scrambled eggs for $3.69, and milk for $0.59. About how much it has spent. Chapter 3 Standardized Test Practice. Part 1. Part Multiple Choice. Record your answer on the answer set provided by your teacher or on a set of paper. 1. There are 10 million people living in a city. How is 10 million written in standard form? 2. Xavier, Justin, Leslie, and Cree are playing a game of prime and composite. Points are given when a card with a prime number is selected who did not score any point on this run. Xavier 7, Justin 27, Leslie 17, Cree 37. 3. Mrs. Sabina graded the spelling test for her 6th grade class. The range in score is 15.6. If the lowest grade is 42, what is the highest grade? 4. How is 2.6256 read? 5. Which decimal number can replace P on the number line? 6. Michael practiced his long jump after school. He records each jump. Which jump is the longest? 7. The store calculates sales tax and rounds it to the nearest cent. The tax on a coat totaled $3.02. Which of the following could be the actual amount of the tax before it was rounded? 8. The table shows the distance Jillian walked each day. What is the best estimation of the distance she walked over the 5 days? 9. How much greater is 11.2 than 10.8? Part 2. Short respondent greet-in. Record your answer and the answer set provided by your teacher or on a sheet of paper. 10. Write 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 using x exponent. Then find the value of the power. 11. The graph shows the approximate top speed of the world's fastest athletes. How much faster is a speed skater than a swimmer? 12. The table shows the price of various recycled products. What is the median price per ton? 13. Sasha checked her reaction time using a stopwatch. During which trial was Sasha's reaction time the slowest? The slowest time is the longest. 14. Kelly scored an average of 12.617 points per game. What is her average score rounded off the nearest 10? 15. Miranda rode her bike to the park and then to Dave's house. By the end of the day, she had biked a total of about 13 kilometers. From Dave's house, did Miranda bike to the park and then home? Explain. 16. Is 6.14, 2.2 or 1.74 the solution of x minus 3.94 is 2.2? Part 3. Extended response. Record your answer on a sheet of paper. Show your work. 17. Mr. Evans had a yard sale. He wrote both the original cost and the yard sale price on each item. Question number 16. Check the solution of an equation. Replace the variable in equation with your solution.